In this video, I will show you how to insert an online picture. Suppose you want to insert some picture here related to your data. So this is the data related to commission report or sales. Suppose if you want to enter some sales picture here, so go to the Insert tab in the Illustrations group, Online Pictures. Then you can write down whatever you are looking for. Suppose we are looking for the sales picture and then find out. So you will see different online pictures related to sales. So suppose in this scenario we want to insert this. So just click here and you will see this check mark will come up here and then insert. So the picture will come up on your worksheet. So these are the sizing handle I told you. With the help of these, you can increase or decrease the size of your picture. With this 4-pointed arrow, you can move, you can set your picture wherever you want in the worksheet. And when you will select the picture, you will see Picture Tools Format tab. So open this and you will see the size group. In size group, you can see height and width. So you can increase or decrease the width and height of your picture from here as well, right? Okay, this is the rotation button. This one, you can rotate your picture. Suppose if you want to see your picture here, if you want to move your picture like this, so this is the rotation, right? So we will come back, and this is the cropping. With the help of this cropping, you can crop your picture. Suppose you do not want to see this part of the picture here, so just crop it. So our picture is cropped. Okay, when you will select this picture, then you will see Pictures Tools Format tab here. Otherwise you cannot see. Suppose if I deselect this picture, so it's gone. Again click here, it will come back, and these are the picture style. There are different styles. What type of style you are looking for your picture, right? This one, you can play with this. So suppose if I want this metal oval shape, click here and then it will ask you picture border. Open this, what type of border you are looking for, red, yellow, green, whatever. I say okay, red according to the picture. So this is the picture effect. Open this, what means this is the present, shadow, reflection. Okay, if you see this one, okay, make it. And here in adjust group, you can adjust the color of your picture. Suppose if you want to see your picture like this, whatever. Suppose if I say this one is fine. And here is the corrections. Open this and here you can see the brightness, normal, 20% contrast, whatever you want, right? So in this video you have learned how to insert an online picture, and I hope you have enjoyed my video, and thanks for watching it.